Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie, and on this channel I share a lot about radiography, natural hair and lifestyle. So if these are topics you're interested in, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button and also turning on post notifications so you never miss a video again. On today's video, we're going to be looking at a very important topic. Life in your 20s is busy, uncertain, and sometimes very overwhelming between work, school, relationships, and trying to figure out your future. The stress can sneak up on you when you least expect it. That is why today I want to share something simple, affordable, and deeply personal, a DIY self-care kit for stressful days. Think of it as your safe space in a box, a collection of little reminders that you matter, that it's okay to slow down, and that you already have the tools to comfort yourself. In this video, I'll guide you step by step in building your own self-care kit, and not just what to put inside, but also how to make you feel nourishing, soothing, and truly yours. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. We often talk about self-care as if it's just bubble baths and skincare routines, but real self-care is about having practical tools to ground yourself when life feels very heavy. And a self-care kit does exactly that. On our stressful days, our minds race, we overthink, we scroll endlessly, or we reach for habits that don't actually calm us. A self-care kit is different. It's a physical reminder that you've already prepared for this moment. It says, I knew these tough days would come, and I chose to care for myself anyways. Having your kit helps you break the cycle of overwhelm. Instead of drowning in stress, you open up your kit and you're reminded that you've got this. This is your sanctuary in one place. The first step is choosing a home for your self-care kit. This might sound simple, but it sets the tone. If you want something cozy, use a decorated shoebox lined with fabric. If you love organization, choose a small storage bin with compartments. If you want portability, use a tote bag or a basket you can carry to your favorite relaxing corner. Now here's the secret. Choose a container that feels inviting. When you look at it, you should feel drawn to open it. Decorate it if you like, paint it, add stickers, or simply keep it minimal. The outside matters less than the intention. This is your safe box, waiting to comfort you. Now comes the heart of your kit, the items you'll include. A great self-care kit nourishes all senses: sight, touch, smell, taste, sound. Now let's go through each one together. For touch, think a soft or cozy blanket or socks, a small stress ball or clay for your hands, a plush toy or a scarf that feels so comforting. For smell, you could include a candle in your favorite calming scent, lavender, vanilla, or eucalyptus. You could also include essential oils you can dab onto your wrists or a pillow, or even a tea bag with soothing herbs like chamomile. For sight, a printed list of affirmations like I'm safe, I'm capable, this moment will pass, a vision board or a postcard or a photo that inspires you, a short book of comforting words, maybe poetry or devotionals. Now for taste, a small stash of your favorite comfort snacks, herbal teas for calming rituals, and maybe dark chocolates which can boost your mood naturally. For sound, a pre-made playlist of calming music, guided meditation downloaded on your phone, or even a small instrument like a mini kalimba or chimes if it suits you. Finally, you want to add something for your mind and heart, a journal to write out your actual feelings, a gratitude list to remind yourself of small wins. Like they always say, the little wins count. Most importantly, a letter to your future self reminding you that tough times don't last forever. Remember, your kit should be deeply personal. Fill it with things that make you feel cared for. This isn't about perfection, it's about presence. To make your kit even more special, try adding a few homemade touches. DIY calming spray. Mix water, a few drops of lavender oil, and a touch of witch hazel into a small spray bottle. Nest it on your pillow and around your space. You could also have a gratitude jar. Keep slips of paper nearby. Each time you feel grateful, write it down and store it in a jar. On hard days, pull one of this out and you'll be surprised the magic this can work. Handmade notes are another thing you can have. You write yourself gentle reminders. For example, breathe in, breathe out, this is only temporary, or you're stronger than you think. DIY elements don't cost much, but they add soul to your kit. When you open it, it feels like your past self reaching out to comfort you. Now that your kit is ready, the most important question is, how do you actually use it? Now here's a simple ritual. When stress feels overwhelming, pause. And go to your kit and choose one item for each sense. Wrap yourself in a blanket, light a candle, play your calming music, sip some tea. Spend at least 15 minutes immersed in this space. No multitasking, just letting the kit do its job. Think of it like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. Over time, your brain will associate the kit with safety and calm, and it becomes your personal anchor in stormy moments. So that's how you create your own DIY self-care kit for stressful days. It's more than just a box, it's an act of love you give to yourself over and over again. Remember that stress is a part of life, but suffering in silence doesn't have to be. You can always choose to pause, open your kit, and remind yourself that you are worthy of care. Start small, add 1 or 2 items this week, and keep building as you go. Before long, your self-care kit will become your safe haven. If this video has inspired you, let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you put in your kit? And don't forget to like, comment, share for more soothing videos and tips for thriving in life. And remember that you deserve the rest, you deserve the peace, and you deserve the care. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.